Hello everybody! Welcome to Design Time Summer Edition. My name is Erikka Fogelman and I'm an interior designer, and I also teach interior design courses online on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare.
From Caroline. Hi Erikka, I hope you are well. I have a question. Is contemporary style another term for minimalist style?
Hey Caroline, first, contemporary and minimalist styles are technically two different terms, although they do share many elements in common. If you were to Google minimalist design, which you may have already done that, you will often see pictures of contemporary spaces. So while contemporary is a minimalist style, meaning that when you see contemporary spaces, they are minimalist, minimalist does not necessarily mean contemporary. So you can take any interior design style, traditional, transitional, modern French, Western even, any of those, and you can make them minimalist. So they're not interchangeable terms. I hope that helps. For more information on the minimalist style, please do check out my course on either of those platforms I mentioned, Udemy or Skillshare, as I do have a course called How to Use Minimalist Design to Live Your Best Life. Thanks so much and happy decorating.